In the unforgiving expanse of the Sierra Nevada, the Donner Party's journey turned into a harrowing nightmare. Stranded in brutal snow, the tough choice of survival morphed into a desperate struggle against cannibalism. Love shattered by hunger, families fought for life in a chilling display of primal instinct. This haunting tale reveals our darkest depths when faced with starvation. Yet amidst despair, hope shimmered. Survivors transformed sorrow into stories. It's a dark chapter of westward expansion, yet a beacon of resilience. How far would you go to survive? Join me as we unravel this chilling saga.